Today we're wrapping up multiplying fractions because we are multiplying fractions with mixed numbers. So the very first thing you have to do is change, you're converting the mixed number to an improper fraction. So we are going to multiply, there we go. We're going to multiply the whole number by the denominator. And then we're going to add the numerator to get our new numerator. So that is going to be written over the denominator. That's how we convert a mixed number. So we start at the bottom, multiply the denominator by the whole number, add it to the numerator. That becomes my new numerator, so I write it over the denominator. Denominator won't change. All right, so step one, we're going to convert any mixed numbers to improper fractions. So looking at our example problem, I'm going to go ahead and copy down 3/5, but then I'm going to change this mixed number into an improper fraction by multiplying 8 times 4 and then adding 2. So it should be 34 over 8. Now I'm going to multiply straight across. 3 times 34 is 102. And the denominator is going to be 5 times 8, which is 40. Because it's improper, I need to simplify it back to a mixed number. So I've got to figure out how many times 40 goes into 102. So it's just a division problem. 40 goes into 102 twice, which is 80. And then you have, but y'all know, thank you. Somebody's about to do it. Yes, thank you. It's 2 and 11/20 because we don't ever write an answer without it being simplified. So yes, I know you guys know that it's 2 and 22/40, but if you wrote that as your answer, you know I'm going to count it wrong. There's not even partial credit. Everything is always in simplest form. Okay, moving on down. We got a couple more problems. I'm going to let you and your group work on those. We're going to check them together in just a couple minutes. Once you change those mixed numbers to these improper fractions, again, we're looking at the second one here. Once you rewrite those, you multiply straight across. So 49 times 17 is 833. And 8 times 7 is 56. Because it's improper and like super improper, that number is huge. I've got to divide it to figure out what my mixed number would be. So 833 divided by 56 is 14. My remainder is 49. That becomes my numerator, and the denominator is still 56. So then I have to figure out what is my GCF of these two numbers, my numerator and denominator. After listing out my factors for 49, I know that 7 is the largest factor that can be divided by 49 that also goes into 56. So I reduce by 7, and then I combine my whole number, 14, and my reduced fraction, 7/8. So 14 and 7/8 is your final answer.